Editing panoramic videos on a computer. Panoramic videos shot with your device must be edited before they can be shared as regular videos. Transferring files. Connect the aircraft to a computer using the provided cable. Copy the files to the computer. The file extension for panoramic videos is OSV. Each panoramic video has a low-resolution proxy file with the extension LRF. Using DJI Studio. DJI Studio provides easy-to-use editing tools for panoramic videos. Download DJI Studio from the official website, then install and run the program. Create a project and import the files. Select a video clip and add to the track. To use low-resolution proxy files for editing, set preview quality to SD. The video plays in the original flight view by default. You can switch to another view. Region keyframe. You can reframe specific moments based on the default view. Scrub to the desired point. Zoom and drag the screen for quick adjustments. For greater accuracy, you can manually fine-tune the parameters. Once set, tap the icon to add a region keyframe that records the new view. The video will smoothly transition to the new view and then return to the default view. To adjust the transition duration, drag the edges of the keyframe. Intelligent tracking. This feature can keep the subject in the frame during sports scenes. Click Intelligent Tracking. Drag on the screen to select a subject, then click Start Tracking. Click End Tracking to complete framing. Additionally, DJI Studio supports image settings such as stabilization and stitching effects. After editing, export the final video. Using Adobe Premiere Pro. You can also edit panoramic videos in Adobe Premiere Pro using the official plugin. Download the plugin and follow the on-screen instructions to install. Open Adobe Premiere Pro. If the plugin appears under Effects, Video Effects, the installation is successful. Import the files to your project. Select a video clip and add to the track. Drag the plugin onto the clip. Click the plugin name in Effect Controls to start reframing. Zoom and drag the screen for quick adjustments. For greater accuracy, you can manually fine-tune the parameters. Once set, click the icon to add a keyframe that records the current view. At a later point, add another keyframe to record a different view. Select an animation effect for the two keyframes. The video will transition from the first view to the second view using the selected effect. If you need to edit the raw files of panoramic videos, select the original resolution, expand source file operation, and then adjust the parameters. You can also change the stitching and stabilization settings of the raw file. After editing, export the final video.